Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we will understand about charts in Excel. So what basically charts are? Charts are basically to understand the data better. Like if we have a large amount of data, just by seeing it, we cannot understand that what it is actually wanting to say, right? So for that we use charts so that we can visualize. What we visualize is we understand better, right? So here I have taken few examples. So today we will basically understand three main types of charts in Excel. First is bar chart or column chart. Second is line chart, and third is pie chart, right? So here we have some data of some store, some vegetable store, which has some items like apple, orange, banana, and so on. And we want to see like how is the sales going and how is the profit going on in this store, right? So what we will do is first let's plot the graph for sale and the uh, item that we have, right? So first to insert a chart, what we need to do is we go to this insert tab, right? By clicking on this, we have the option of recommended charts, or we have different other options like this bar directly bar chart, column chart, tree chart. There are different types of chart, right? So instead of that, what we will do is we will go for recommended chart, and we will see that Excel automatically recommends different type of charts that are suitable for this type of data. So for this example, let's select the bar chart. Okay, this column chart. Column charts are basically these are the columns of the values that are there, and these are the items that are there, right? So if we insert them, we can see that we have our column chart ready with us, right? Now we can do different types of formatting in this chart. Like we can like format this, make it look visually better how we want, right? So now suppose what I want is I want that this data is not actually arranged, right? This 30 is coming in between, 20 is here, right? So if we want to like get that in order, so what we can do is we can just select this and we can go for select this, go for sort and filter and go for largest to smallest, right? So as you can see, the data over here is also sorted, and the here also the graph sorts automatically, right? So this is done very easily, right? Now this is the plus option. We can explore, we will explore it later on, right? Today we will understand what different type of chart looks like. Now suppose I want to add another chart which compares the sales and the profit of the item, right? Like if the sale price is high, then is the profit equally high or is there some difference? So for that, what we will do, we will again select the columns and we will insert a recommended chart here. So here this is basically the chart we will insert again. So let's go for column bar chart here. Bar chart is similar to column chart, only the difference is the axis of the two values are interchanged, right? So this is the bar chart, and we can change the title to profit sale price chart, right? So this is basically the bar chart. So here we can see that as the sale price is increasing, similarly our profit is also like the value of profit is also higher, right? So by this we can compare how the sales and profit go together, right? So now let's go for line chart. This is like so as you understand, bar chart or column chart is something which is used to see how the values are and can be compared, like for mango, apple, orange, we can compare how the sale price is, and if we want profit to be compared with sale price, we can also do that using bar chart. So this is recommended when such type of comparison is to be done, right? Then comes line chart. So line charts are majorly or mostly used when we have time period data. Like we have here data from date this to this date, right? So from this date till some date over here. So let me sort this so that we can understand it better. Smallest oldest to youngest, yeah, right? So now we want to see how the sales has been over a period of time, right? So what I will do, I will again select the data, insert, insert a line chart over here. So this is revenue, right? So by this we can see that our sales has not been consistent, right? So by seeing these figures over in this data, we could not actually visualize how what are our revenues looking like. So by this we can actually see that over a period of time, like over the period of days, the sales are not being consistent. They are the values of uh, sales that are being done on every particular given day are actually fluctuating too much, right? It is too high, then it is too low, and something like that is going on. So by this line chart, we can actually understand that, right? Now, now we will understand pie chart. So pie chart is basically to do to like pie chart is used when we want a sum of whole. Like for example, in this data we have the dealers and we have the sales done by that dealer. So now if we want to find out, like we are the company who is having these 8 dealers, and we want to find out which dealer is doing what percentage of contribution into our sales. So to do that, what we can do is again select the data, and what we'll do, we will insert an pie chart over here. So now this this is the chart, right? Now what we can see is that uh, this brown color and blue color, actually blue color is doing the most number of sales over here. So as you can see, if I keep my cursor over here, it is also showing the dealer which is OPQ is doing the maximum number of sales to us. So by seeing the charts, we can easily understand what is going on with the data. So this was about the charts in Excel. We will explore more charts in upcoming videos. So be with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.